Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we were reading the story Black Beauty. So a horse was telling one of its incidents. So he was telling that one day when he was going with his master was riding on him. Then what he saw a powerful man was coming on a little pony. So this is the picture of that powerful man was coming with a little pony. So just as he came to the park gates, the little thing turned towards them. So the horse is saying that just as they came to the park gates, the little thing turned towards them. What was the little thing? The man, without word or warning, turned the pony's head with such a force and suddenness that it nearly fell. That man, without any word or warning, what he did, he turned the pony's head. Pony means that small horse. Its head was turned by that man with such a force that it nearly fell. It fell down. Recovering itself, it was going on when he hit it furiously. The pony plunged forward, but the man's head held the pony back with force enough to hurt its jaw. So, by this incident, the pony moved downwards and it affected its jaw. Jaw means it is the inner part of our mouth where we have our teeth. So while the whip still cut into it, it was a dreadful sight to me, but master asked me to speed up and we reached the cart in a second. It was a dreadful means very sad incident for me, but master asked me to speed up means his master was saying that you have to speed up and we have to reach there in a second. So Sawyer, he cried in a stern voice, "Is that pony made of flesh and blood?" So that master was shouting at him that what did he do? Is that pony made of any flesh or blood? Flesh and blood and temper, he said. It's too fond of its own will. I don't like that. That powerful man was saying that his pony do its own, means it didn't listen to him. So he did like that. He was a builder who had been to our place on business. Master was saying that he was a builder who had been to our place for business, means it's for our work. And do you think, said master sternly, that treatment like this will make it listen to you? And the master was very kind towards animal, so he was saying that in this manner can it listen to you? It should not have turned towards your place. The road was straight on, said the man roughly. Now the man is saying it should not have turned towards your place. It means that powerful man want to say that this should not turn towards your place, but it was doing so. That's why he forced him to go another side. The road was straight on. It was saying about that the road is on the straight side. You have often driven that pony to my palace, said master. Master is saying that you often drive it to my place. It only shows the creature's memory and intelligence. It is just showing that its memory, due to his memory, it was going on that way. How did it know that you were not going there again? So the master is saying that how that pony can be known that you don't want to go there. I must say, Mr. Sawyer, that I had never witnessed a more brutal treatment of a little pony, and by such anger you injure your own character more than you injure your horse. So now the master want to say that you are not doing any injury to the pony. You are doing injury to yourself. Your character is going down by doing such an act. And remember, we shall all have to be judged according to our works. So master wants to say that our work will show that how we are, whether they be towards man or towards best. So the master wants to say that our work determines us and it also determines our character. So we should be kind towards the man or towards the best means any animal. So thank you a lot. and today I am giving you opposite words that you have to do on your fair notebook. Tomorrow we will complete the rest of the chapter. Thanks.